Awesome. Everything beautiful. 33 vertebrae, I'm back. I'm out here in the heart of nature, raising the frequency, raising the vibration, bringing awesome energy from the sun, from the water, from the earth, from the air, and downloading from ether. So on this one, welcome back for joining me this September. We're on the 12th. Today's at 399. After the blood moon, still the energies are, you can still feel it. The energies of the eclipse. It's a new season, a new time, and we're beginning afresh. Now, I'm just on these grounds, I've just arrived here. So let me do some clearance. Then we begin our book reading. So you can sit at your own position as I'm seated, or you can stand or sit on a chair, but have your feet grounded, bare feet I'd prefer, out in the grass. Then you continue. Mahadevi, Maheshwari, Jai Ravi, Linga Vairavi, Antakarabashata Etekere, La Intile Sete Raila Inamaka. I want you to focus on the sun. See a white glowing light descending from the sun. It's coming down the soul star, to the crown, third eye, throat, upper heart, heart, solar plexus, sacral, root into the earth star. So we're coming back from the earth star. We're going up the root. You can squeeze your seat if you need to. Sacral, solar plexus, heart, upper heart, throat, third eye, crown, back to the sun. Mahadevi, Maheshwari, Jai Ravi, Linga Vairavi. Thank you. So I'm reading my book, 33 Vertebrae. We've been doing this for a few months. We started in March, went through June, now we're in September. So today I just wanna, because September is the month of endings and also the month of beginnings. Because when you're closing a chapter, you're also beginning a new chapter. So I want us to use this moment to release whatever we've been going through circles in. Because the only way you're gonna start afresh is if you're going to see, you're able to recognize what has been dragging me, or what have I been going through circles. What have I always been going through? Then you find a way to release it, love yourself, forgive yourself, and focus on the present moment. And that is the only way you can start afresh. And always, if you want to release something super simple, like I always say, you just find the earth, walk bare feet, ground, and release whatever you want. The earth listens, it talks to you, it's the mother. So you just talk to it and you tell it whatever, and it will do anything that you want it to do. So you can always do that. And I'll see you in the next video as we do our book readings. 33 Vertebrae. That's my time.